Hey guys, Adam Frimmer here from DIYPhotography.net. We're here at the Vitec booth and we're talking with Steve from O'Connor.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2019 is sponsored by SERP, Better Films, Zion, a gimbal for everyone, Manfrotto, Imagine More, and Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
So Steve, tell us, what are we looking at here?
Yeah, so we've had a popular models, the 1030D and DS. We've replaced them with one model that is the best of both. So this is the O'Connor 1040. So it can take 20 kilograms like the 1030 DS used to take, but it can also tilt the full plus and minus 90 kilograms payload. And we've smartened it up and matched it to go with some, everyone knows the Flowtech legs, but this is some O'Connor branded Flowtech legs at the same price as the Sackler and Vinton Flowtech legs. And the 1040 now goes with these legs as a package. So we now get the best 100mm tripod with the best 100mm fluid head all in one package.
Awesome, and this is a 100mm ball?
It is a 100mm ball, yeah. It's still got that really great low height, really great high height, really easy to operate with the levers at the top, optional mid-level spreader options. The head comes with, you can get it with any base. It can be Mitchell, it can be 150, it can be 100, it can be flat, it can be quick fit. We've got a variety of different plate options, but as standard, it now comes with the large Europlate quick release, the same as what the large O'Connor heads have. So the same plate.
Cool. Do you want to show us how to operate the Flowtech? Maybe we can see.
Yeah, well, the Flowtech it does a very so the levers are right up at the top, so you can go from low height to high height very quickly. The legs are held with a magnet, so you can deploy it pretty quickly. It's got an integrated spreader at the top, and you can also, because of the it uses a spreader, you can disengage this feature, and you can go real low. So what we can do is drop the tripod right down to the floor, spread it right out. Press the three levers. And then you've got a real low mode.
That's really low.
So you don't need to take a hi hat or whatever on set with you. You know, you've got it all in one product.
Very cool stuff.
Okay.
Just wait for you to get it back up. Well, that was easy.
Yeah, got there in the end.
Yeah. Well, super cool looking head. Looks super professional. How much can we expect to pay for something like this?
Oh, the full tripod is $10,800. You get the fluid head, you get the Flowtech with the carry handle and the feet, and you get it all in an O'Connor bag with 7 layers of protection, really robust system bag.
Awesome. So guys, this was O'Connor Flowtech at IBC 2019. We're going to be walking around doing a lot more things, so stay tuned for that. We have a $5,000 giveaway. You can read more about that in the description below. Stay tuned. Adam Frimmer, DIYphotography.net.